I don't usually endorse for local office, but Mark Green is not an usual candidate. I've known Mark for over 30 years and seen his leadership as an advocate for consumers. We worked together on tobacco control legislation, which finally the President just signed earlier this year. I've seen the work he's done as the public advocate for New York when he cracked down on healthcare providers, hospitals, HMOs, that worked the doctors to death so that they weren't even awake when they were treating some of the patients and made mistakes that shouldn't have happened. No one could do the job of public advocate better than Mark. He's done it before. He can do it again. He was a great success then. He'll be a great success for the next 4 years. I'm proud to support him. He has persistent and progressive values. He'll fight for the people of New York. And I'm pleased to call him a friend, and I hope you'll call him soon your public advocate.
Henry, thank you. That was great. I call him Henry because we've known each other so long, but a lot of other people call him Mr. Chairman. Henry, of course, is the chairman of the House Energy and Commerce Committee. And the reason I'm so pleased at this is A, I hope it helps me get elected public advocate again, but B, I know how honored I am because there's no one who I admire more in public office or public service or public life than Chairman Congressman Henry Waxman. The reason is obvious. Because of him, we now have a Tobacco Safety Act that, as you said, President Obama signed. We now have a climate change law that you and Congressman Ed Markey of Massachusetts led the fight on. And we're about to have the first major healthcare change in America, God willing, since the 1960s in Medicare and Medicaid, a fight that, again, you're in the lead of. And so thank you for supporting me, because if I do a tenth as much as you have, in all those years you were in the wilderness, when you were in the minority, but you kept at it, it'll be a blessing for New Yorkers if I can model myself on you. Thank you, Henry. And